So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Ito nga pong ating pong playoffs kabola. And then of course we will give you our prediction kabola sa ating semi-finals. TNT versus Rain or Shine at Ginebra versus San Miguel. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So quick rundown lang tayo na ganap po na quarterfinals. San Miguel Beermen kabola, dinalo na lang po ang Meralco Bolts kabola. Makikita mo during the game na medyo obvious po na pagod, diba? Lamang po sa stamina yung San Miguel Beermen kabola. And then of course yung obvious din na lamang in terms of firepower. So hindi nakakagulat kabola that they won that series kabola. On the other hand naman, Ginebra defeated Converge kabola. Now dito, sabi ko lang, Ginebra was the better team, obviously, kabola. They played better basketball and their advantage in the talent level, kabola, is talaga na-maximize nila. Pero I just want to point out that Converge kinda play so-so, no? During the game, kumbaga, we could have expected more from them, kabola. Unfortunately, hindi po nila nabigay. Now, Rain or Shine versus NLEX, kabola. It was a good match up kabola po. In the first game, it was the game of Clarito, the 2020 kabola performance kabola. Pinapakita lang talaga nito ni Coach Yengi kabola gaano po siya galing mag-develop po ng players. Now, in the game 2 naman kabola, it was the game naman po of Santillan kabola. So again, it is basically Rain or Shine telling the entire PBA kabola, coaching, telling the entire PBA universe kabola that he is still one of the best, if not the best, in developing players kabola, and is a very, very deep rooster right now kabola who will try to challenge TNT. Now, TNT versus Magnolia, of course, the shocker kabola. Both games are very close. Both games kabola are really tight, pero TNT managed kabola to defeat Magnolia Hotshots kabola. And of course, mukhang talagang may extra push talaga kabola yung kanila tina-target mo na Grand Slam. So, doon mo makikita kabola yung difference between the two teams kabola. Now, TNT, Jordan Hastings slowly developing this good chemistry with them kabola. And this will make them a very, very interesting kabola talaga na playoff contender and their ability po to complete this Grand Slam kabola. On the other hand, of course, Magnolia Hotshots, which Coach Chito Victolero, they're eyeing now, or they're expecting the fans of other teams kabola, that Coach Chito will be replaced, di ba? Kasi pa ulit-ulit na lang ito, intro voice confirm ulit sila kabola, and of course, masakit yan, no? Sa damdamin po ng mga fans kabola, and even sa damdamin po ng management. Pero, di ba? Wala pa tayong narinig na news, the recording of this video, malay natin, makasurvive pa rin si Coach Chito Victolero kabola, which is of course, hindi po yan yung na-expect natin, kabola, di ba? Kung yung mga fans sa Magnolia, gusto mo ba siya mag-survive? Or may rason pa ba, kabola, nasa utak mo, kabola, para hindi po siya palitan ng yung favorite team, di ba? So, mag-isipan mo nga yan, kabola, meron pa bang namumuong rason sa utak mo para hindi po siya mapalitan, kabola? On the other hand naman, kabola, it's time for us to give our predictions. Start natin sa Ginebra versus San Miguel. So, Ginebra versus San Miguel, of course, the battle of the two gigantic team, the power of the two powerhouse team, the battle of the two giants, kabola. San Miguel still has a little bit clear advantage in terms of firepower, kabola, especially with the level po na pinaglalaroan ngayon ni Fajardo as a CJ Perez. They're really playing on a different level right now, kabola. Perez is at 22.6 points, 4.6 rebounds, 4.7 assists, 1.7 steals per game, kabola. This is amazing numbers. While Fajardo is at 18 points, kabola, 13.3 rebounds, 3 assists per game, kabola, at 63% shooting. These two guys are monster, kabola. There's a good chance, there's a good argument that they could be the two top players in this series, kabola. On the other hand naman, Ginebra, Aguilar is currently their best player. He's really playing very well, especially on the defensive end. 18.3 points, 8.3 rebounds per game, 1.7 assists, 1.2 blocks per game, kabola. But overall, we will go with the San Miguel Beermen, kabola. I think they are playing better than Ginebra. I think they are deeper overall, kabola. And if combine that, and we combine them, of course, mas kailangan sila ng finals appearance. I will go with San Miguel Beermen. Now, kabola, ito na tayo sa TNT versus Rain or Shine, kabola. TNT wants to complete a Grand Slam. Rain or Shine will be the second to the last na nga ba na magdedepend sa kabola na ng Grand Slam na ito kontra dito po sa TNT Kabole. Of course, firepower-wise, lamang na lamang po ang TNT. Jordan Heading is slowly but surely playing Kabole and developing chemistry with this team. Pero ang isang nakapagtaka sa akin, medyo bumaba, no? Bumaba yung performance ng isang Calvin Octana in this Philippine Cup. Parang Kabole, parang nag-iba ata kasi yung role niya, no? Parang tinatry na niyang i-cover din yung role ni RJ, especially on the defensive end. So, yung mga numero niya, medyo bumaba, Kabole. Medyo lang naman, no? He's still a monster, Kabole. Pero overall, he's still their best player, Kabole. And they will rely heavily on him in this series. While on the other hand naman, Rain or Shine, ang napapansin ko dito, Kabole, medyo lumiit actually yung rotation po ni Coach Yengyao, pero yung level ng mga players currently, parang mas umataas like Nocum, Clarito, Santillan, Kabole, parang yung level nila Kabole, medyo nag-improve pa. So, kumbaga, without import right now, and it's just a battle of locals, Kabole, lamang in terms of quantity depth, ang Rain or Shine, Kabole, di ba? Yan masabi natin. Lamang sila in terms of quantity depth, di ba? Kabole, lamang po sila in terms of quantity depth, Kabole, kontra po sa firepower ng TNT. So, anong pong pipiliin natin? Pipiliin natin ang depth po ng Rain or Shine. Yes, I am predicting, Kabole, big upset. Rain or Shine will win over TNT. Kababas, balik mo! Rain or Shine versus San Miguel ba magiging finals? Comment na po sa baba.